Learning objective. I can retell a Greek myth in the form of a comic. Good morning, Year 3. Today we're going to be trying to remember what we can of our learning of Greek myths so far this term to retell a story in a comic. Now, if you recall, all the Greek myths we've learned about or featured in our videos so far have been in comic strip form, so hopefully that will help us with our own. This is a bit of practice before tomorrow we're going to start planning our own comic strips. So you can choose any Greek myths that we've done about in our learning so far, or if you know other Greek myths, or for that matter, if you want to choose any myths that you know, you can do those too. You have two choices for your activity today. I've given two options on the worksheets. You might choose to do this one. This is a section from Pandora's box. You might remember this. Is when Pandora is trying to convince her husband to open the box. If you choose this one, you need to fill in each caption box with what's going on in the actual box above it. And of course, you need to fill in all those empty speech boxes. What is Pandora saying to her husband? Or what is he saying to her? Or if you would prefer, you can retell a different comic strip doing the pictures yourself. The box at the top is for you to write your title. So if you're doing Theseus and the Minotaur, you would write Theseus and the Minotaur up there. A top tip for you: when you're doing your speech or your caption boxes, write it first and then draw the box around it. So let's say, for example, in the first box, Theseus is speaking to his friend and he's saying, I'm going to go to Athens to kill the Minotaur. You would write that, and you'd have to be succinct with your words first and then draw the box around it. I'm going to Athens. Your page may be bigger than mine, you might have more space to do this, but write the speech first and then do the speech box around it, and then afterwards you can do the pictures. As always, it doesn't matter if you don't have a printer at home to print out the worksheets, you can just draw some boxes on a blank piece of paper. And as I mentioned yesterday, don't forget the importance of these caption boxes. They really help to move the story along. That's it for today. Go away and have your best go. Remember, this is just practice before we start planning to write our own comic books tomorrow. So you're retelling a Greek myth or a myth that you know in the form of a comic book. Good luck. I shall see you tomorrow.